Willow Warriors, it is Tuesday. Welcome. All right, today, for the most part, our Tuesdays have looked like this, where we've got a two-piece special, and it's exactly the same today. Working some leg strength, really focusing on being precise with our movement, and we've added some tempo and holds there for you as well. All right, then a quick little burner of a workout to warm up for all of that. Here's what we're going to do. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with some arm swings. All right, you're going to do 10 forwards, 10 backwards. We're really trying to get our arms to swing as big and as wide as possible. All right, so I'll do 10 forward and then 10 backwards. Once you've done that, we're going to go for some skater squat jumps. All right, so if you need balance here, guys, just remember you can put this other leg down at any point if you need to. All right, so I'm going to go down into a skater squat, which is one leg going backwards and squatting in that position. And from here, jump to the other side and land in that squat. All right, so we'll be there for 4 per side. Once you're done with that, we're going to go for some tempo glute bridges. So onto our back. I want you to think hollow body position here. So I'm pulling my belly button into the ground, squeezing my butt, driving that up. Hold that for a second and then come back down. We haven't given you a tempo, but we want you to control it all the way down, all the way up, and really just feel your way through every single part of that movement. Give us a big squeeze at the top as well. All right. 8 of those, then we're going to go for lizard lunges. All right, so let's get into this push-up position. All right, from here, I want you to bring one leg up right next to your foot, your hand over here. Feel that stretch, then bring it back. Then we'll do the other side. Bring it back. Okay, the entire time trying to show as much control as possible. We're going to go for 4 per side there, and then just to get the heart rate up a little bit, get our legs ready for the double unders and the impact. Just going to go for 15 single leg pogo jumps, 15 on the one side, 15 on the other side, bouncing off the balls of your feet. The clock is going to be running for 9 minutes. Once we're done with that, we'll get into the strength. Okay guys, so we've given you 3 movements really just to focus on the weaker parts of the leg. All right, so we're going to focus on working the glutes a little bit more today, different parts of the glute, and then working single leg work as well, just to help us correct any imbalances that might be there. Okay, so the first movement that we're going to have is similar to in the warm-up. We had the skater squat jump. Now we've just got skater squats, but with a weight in this goblet position. Right, so nothing too heavy, guys. I want you to focus your way through this, remembering that tempo is key. All right, so squat down, get that leg back. We're going to bring it back up. I'm going to turn around so you can see what my other leg is doing. All right, so lifting it up, sweeping it back. And then we're going to come up from there. All right, you guys are going to do 10 of those per side, nice and controlled. Once you're done with that, we're going to go for some more single leg work. We're going to do some single leg glute bridges. All right, so onto our back. Get one leg in the air, other one a little bit near you. We're going to dig our heel into the ground, focusing on pulling the belly button to the ground. Squeeze at the top for 2 counts, and then bring it back down. All right, so we're looking for 12 of those on each side. Once you're done with that, we're going to stay in that position, do something similar, just attacking a different part of that body part of the glutes. We're going to have our feet in this butterfly position that we usually have for sit-ups. All right, so I'll be sitting here, knees nice and wide, and I'm just going to do some frog pumps from here. All right, so from here, squeeze up, bring it back down. Okay, looking for 15 of those, same points of performance as with the glute bridges. All right, guys, we're going to be going for 4 sets of that. Remember, focus is key. So the strength is done. Now it's time for our workout. Sam, I am. It is a 12-minute AMRAP and it's an ascending ladder. So for 12 minutes, we're going to see how high up this ladder we can climb. So we're going to start off with double unders or skipping. Guys, if you don't have any skipping ropes, what we're going to do is grab something to jump over. All right, so from this position over here, something low, not too high. We don't want to be jumping ridiculously high. And from here, just jumping from one side to the other. All right, so we'll double up on the singles. Otherwise, keep the number the same as the double unders with that. All right, double unders done. Then we're going to move on to the next movement, which is going to be jumping lunges. All right, so starting off in this position, knee to the ground, we're going to explode up. Just switch legs in the air, nice and controlled. Don't bang your knee into the ground. Right, you can as well, guys, if those start getting too tiring or you just struggle with it, just going to go for some normal reverse lunges. Right, something else that we've got there is called the plank up down. So we start in this high plank position, which is where we will finish as well. I'm going to go down onto my elbows and then up onto my hands. That's 1 rep. That's 2. Right, so those 3 movements. So we're going to start off with 10 double unders, 5 jumping lunges, 5 plank up downs, 20 double unders, 10 jumping lunges, 10 up downs, and increase like that until the 12 minutes is done. This will be a burner, guys. Enjoy it, have fun, and we'll see you tomorrow.